Hello students, today we are going to start with a new topic, that is anesthetics. In the anesthetics, we will be giving a detailed view about the local anesthetics. So, as you all know, the picture is showing that there is a doctor and there is an anesthetician who is giving to the anesthesia to the patients during the operation, before starting the operation, so that the patient will not feel any pain sensation during the surgery. So anesthesia can be in a condition where a reversible loss of sensation either of the pain or other responses by loss of consciousness or muscle spasm during the surgical procedure which are painful. So the drugs which provide such actions are known as anesthetics, and the person who is giving the anesthetics are known as anesthesiologist. So basically there are two types of anesthesia. First is your general anesthetics and second is your local anesthetics. General anesthetics produce the anesthesia of the whole body by depress the central nervous system to a sufficient degree to permit the performance of the surgery and other noxious or unpleasant procedures. But the local anesthetics produces the anesthetic action as a specific part of a muscles or a body. So let's take a look about the local anesthetics. So local anesthetic, as you have seen, it is given on a particular part of surgery or a particular part. Basically, these are used in a dental procedures and used for a temporary and reversible elimination of painful feelings in a specific areas of the body. It provides their actions by blocking the transmission of the nerve fiber impulse and cause a loss of feeling in a specific area and keep the patient conscious. It keeps the patient conscious. So basically, what are the uses of local anesthetics? It relieves the pain, soreness, itching, and irritation due to cuts, bites, wounds, rashes, allergic condition, fungal infections, skin sores, and cracking. It is also used during ophthalmological procedures such as minor surgery. It is widely used in the surgery, gynecology, and dentistry. In certain cases, local anesthetics like lidocaine and procainamide can be used as anti-arrhythmic drugs. So what are the ideal property for a local anesthetics? It should be non-irritating to the issue and not causing any permanent damage, and their systemic action should be low toxicity. It cannot affect whether injected into the tissue or applied locally to the skin or mucous membrane, and their rapid of action onset of anesthesia, it should be of short duration of actions. So what is a mechanism behind the local anesthetics? That they selectively bind with the intracellular surface of the sodium channel. After binding, they block the entrance of the sodium ions into the cell, and it leads the stoppage of the depolarization process. Hence, excitement or contractor effect diminished, by which the cells become paralyzed, and the elimination of the pain. Since the binding process of anesthetics to the ion channel is reversible, the drug diffuses into the vascular system where it is metabolized and nerve cell function is completely restored. So what are the action potential stages of the local anesthetics? First of all, the state is a depolarized state where there is a change in polarity or the ionic balance of the cell. And what is the mode of action? It is the sodium ion rushes into the cell and cell becomes catatonic. Due to that, excitatory state and contraction occurs. Next is your repolarization. Repolarization is to come in the same state of the cellular polarity or the charge, but the potassium ions goes out and cell restore its charges. It relaxes or recovery of the cell. Next is hyperpolarization. It occurs inside. Its function is to made the cell a negative from inside, and the entry of chloride ion or the negative ions are excessive potassium conductance, and the person become depressed and sleepy. Drowsiness, calmness, and fainting appears in such state. Hypopolarization fourth stage, in the cell becomes more positive from inside, and the more cations enter into the cells, and it causes epilepsy, excitations, and nervousness. This is the diagram showing a pain stimulus is conducted to the spinal cord, and the signals are reached to the brain. So if we give the local anesthetics to the particular nasoreceptors, then the sensory neuron will not be able to send the impulse to the brain to act or feel the pain action. Here, the local anesthetic on the cell membrane, there is a binding site of the local anesthetics. When we give the local anesthetics, it will attach to the receptor and block the entry of the sodium ion channel and inactivation of the gate, so that there will be a no impulse generated. What are the clinical use of the local anesthetics? There are different categories where the different method of administrations are used of local anesthetics. Like it can be used in a topical anesthetic, infiltration, field block, nerve block, intravenous regional, spinal, epidural anesthesia. Topical anesthetics of mucous membrane of the nose, throat, tracheobronchial tree, or esophagus, and genitourinary tract. Anesthesia produces by the direct application of the aqueous solution of the salts or the suspension of the poorly soluble local anesthetics. And for the prolonged duration of action, a low concentration of a vasoconstrictor such as phenylephrine 0.005% is used. Example of anesthetics are lidocaine, which is 2 to 10%, and cocaine 1 to 4%, and tetracaine 2%. Next class is infiltration anesthesia. Local anesthetics is directly injected into the tissue, which may be superficial tissue of the skin or deeper structures, which include intra-abdominal organs, and the duration can be doubled by the addition of the epinephrine, about 5 microgram per ml, to the injection solution. Example are lidocaine 0.5 to 1%, procaine 0.5 to 1%, and bupivacaine to 0.125 to 0.25%. Next is category is field block. Field block anesthesia is produced by subcutaneous injection of a local anesthetic solution in such a manner as to anesthetize the region distal to the injection. So the advantage of the field block anesthesia is that the less drug can be used, so that it can provide a greater area of the anesthesia than when infiltration anesthesia is used. Okay, so example are lidocaine 0.5 to 1%, procaine 0.5 to 1%, and bupivacaine 0.125 to 0.25%. Next is category is nerve block anesthesia, in which infections of the local anesthetic into or about individual peripheral nerves or the nerve implexes. Examples are lidocaine, bupivacaine, and additional 5 microgram per ml epinephrine prolong the duration of the action. So the nerve impulses are used in individual peripheral. Next class is the intravenous regional anesthesia, where the anesthesia is used the vascular system to apply the local anesthetic, the anesthetic solution to the nerve trunks and the endings, and it is used often for the forearm and the hand, but can also be adapted for the foot and distal leg. Example are the lignocaine and procaine 0.5% individual. Next is your spinal anesthesia. It is given on the spine directly into the cerebrospinal fluid in the lumbar sac. And the examples of anesthesias are lidocaine, tetracaine, and robicaine. Next is your epidural anesthetics. Epidural anesthetics are injected into the epidural space. Examples are bupicaine 0.5 to 0.75%, etidocaine 1 to 1.5%, lignocaine 2%, and chloroprocaine 2 to 3%. What are the depth of the anesthesia? It is been defined by the Guidance sign. First, the anesthesia, disinhibition, surgical anesthesia, and medullary depression. First of all, the patient lost pain sensation, but the memory or the consciousness is not lost. In disinhibition, the patient's what behavior like delirium and excitement. In surgical anesthesia, an ideal stage of anesthesia where the surgical procedures can be done. And the medullary depression is a deepest level of depression where the chances of death and coma. There are different level of anesthesia. First of all, there will be an induction, maintenance, and the recovery of the patient. So during the induction, the length of the time between the drug and the administration, and attaining attaining a surgical anesthesia stage. Sustained surgical anesthesia should be maintained during the process, and a reversal of consciousness and removal of anesthetic agents from the body leads to the recovery of the patient. These are the classification of the local anesthetic drugs. Local anesthetic drugs can be injectable or surface applicable. So injectables can be of low potency or short duration. The examples are procaine and chloroprocaine. Intermediate potency and durations examples are lignocaine and prilocaine. High potency, which is of long duration, are tetracaine, bupivacaine, and ropivacaine. Next class is the surface anesthetic class. It is of soluble and non-soluble. Soluble drugs are cocaine, lignocaine, tetracaine, benoxynate. Insoluble drugs are benzocaine, betaben, and oxytazine. So, what are the pharmacological effects and the toxicity the drug is working? So, the first of all, we see on the nerves, it decreases local anesthetics, decreases or abolish the conduction of nerves, and on a vascular smooth muscles, it causes a vasodilation. On heart, it decreases the excitability, reduce the pacemaker activity, prolongation of effective refractory period, and central nervous system increases the excitability, followed by general depression. Next is effect of the local anesthetic on the heart. The local anesthetic can reduce the myocardial excitability and pacemaker activity, and also prolong the refractory period of the myocardial tissue. This is the basis of the arithmetic effect of local anesthetics. The local anesthetics basically induce the myocardial depression, and compounded by anesthetic induce hypotension. It can also be manifestations of toxicity and can lead to the cardiovascular collapse and even death. So that's all for this local anesthetics. Thank you.